Good day po teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning resources. So ito na ba po teachers, lumabas na po itong ating performance management and evaluation system na gagamitin po ng DepEd ngayon pong 4th quarter para po tayo ma-measure sa ating performance. So, ang tanong na lang po ay ilang observation po ba ang dapat natin ipakita ngayong 4th quarter? So, isa po ba or dalawa? So, check po natin sa DepEd memo. So, sabi nga po dito sa part 3, Assessing PPST-based Objectives or Philippine Professional Standard for Teachers. The performance assessment shall focus on the demonstration and achievement of the PPST COIS and NCOIS, which are translated as objectives in the performance management and evaluation of teachers. Ito na po, 1 or 2 full period classroom observations shall be required to be conducted in assessing the performance of teachers for classroom observable objectives. These observations shall be conducted at any time during the 4th quarter of school year 2024 to 2025 with the schedule agreed upon by the teacher and the rater observer. So, meron po tayong dalawang options po, teachers, 1 or 2 full period classroom observations. So, ano po pinagkaiba ng dalawang options na to? So, let's say option A, gusto nyo po ay 2 full period classroom observations in the 4th quarter. Ang COI or ang objectives po sa ating PPST ay dapat distributed across the observations. So, meron po dun sa first classroom observation po natin, meron din po sa second classroom observation. So, makikita po natin dito yan sa ating sample. Ito po, first full period and second full period. At napapansin nyo po, distributed po across yung ating mga objectives sa ating PPST. Ganon din po sa mga highly proficient teachers. Now, doon po sa ating option B, kung gusto nyo lang po ay isang full period classroom observation for the 4th quarter, ay dapat makover nyo po ang lahat ng COIS or Classroom Observable Indicator doon po sa ating PPST. So, ito po yung ating example. Isang full period, lahat ay dapat makuha na po yung mga objectives. Ganon din po sa highly proficient teachers. So, I hope po teachers nakita nyo po yung dalawang options sa pwede nyo pong gawin for the 4th quarter. Kung gusto nyo po ng isang observation, okay lang, basta lahat makuha yung COIS. Pwede rin po dalawa at distributed po yung mga COIS sa ating dalawang classroom observation. So, I hope clear po to sa ating teachers at good luck po sa mga magpapa-observe ngayong 4th quarter. And please subscribe po for more DepEd updates and free learning resources. Yun po at maraming salamat.